When it comes to ensuring the safety and security of your home, most homeowners focus on alarm systems, surveillance cameras, and strong locks. However, one of the most vulnerable points of entry for intruders is often overlooked: windows. For residents in Redmond, Washington, where homes range from cozy single-family dwellings to expansive properties, it's essential to understand the critical role windows play in home security. Windows provide natural light and ventilation, but they can also be an easy access point for burglars if they are old, damaged, or improperly secured. The good news is that upgrading your windows can significantly improve your home's security. Here's how windows contribute to home security and why investing in high-quality, well-maintained windows is a smart move for homeowners in Redmond. Strengthening vulnerable entry points. Windows are a common point of entry for burglars. According to security experts, nearly 30% of break-ins occur through windows, often because they are either left unsecured or too easy to break into. Redmond homeowners with old, weak windows may be more susceptible to these types of break-ins. Upgrading to stronger, modern windows made from materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or steel can significantly improve your home's security. These materials are much more durable than older wood windows, making them harder to break through. Additionally, many modern windows are built with reinforced frames that prevent easy prying or forcing open. Multi-point locking systems for enhanced security. One of the simplest and most effective ways to increase window security is by upgrading to windows that feature multi-point locking systems. Older windows may only have one lock that can be easily bypassed, but multi-point locks engage several locking points along the window's frame, making it much harder for an intruder to open the window. Multi-point locks work by securing the window at several points, at the top, middle, and bottom, creating a much stronger barrier against unauthorized entry. These locks provide a higher level of security and peace of mind, especially for homeowners in Redmond, where safety is a top priority. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. Another crucial upgrade that Redmond homeowners should consider is impact-resistant glass. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand breakage from external forces like a break in a tent or severe weather. These windows are made with laminated glass, which has a plastic layer sandwiched between two panes of glass. Even if the glass is hit, it won't shatter, making it far more difficult for burglars to gain entry. Impact-resistant glass is especially important in areas where security is a concern, such as homes located near busy streets, commercial zones, or areas prone to break-ins. It also helps protect your home from flying debris during storms, which is a valuable feature in Redmond's wet and windy weather. Window sensors for alarm systems. Many homeowners in Redmond invest in alarm systems to protect their homes, and integrating window sensors into these systems can significantly increase your level of protection. Window sensors can be easily installed on your windows and are connected to your home's alarm system. If a window is opened or broken, the sensor sends an alert to the alarm system, notifying you and potentially triggering a response from authorities. These sensors provide an added layer of security, particularly when paired with motion detectors and smart security systems. Whether you're at home or away, Having window sensors helps keep your home protected from intruders. Visibility and natural surveillance. Windows also play an important role in creating visibility around your home, which can deter potential burglars. If you live in an area where your windows are obstructed by heavy bushes, trees, or overgrown shrubs, it can create an ideal hiding spot for burglars. Good window placement and design allow for greater natural surveillance, making it easier for neighbors or passers-by to spot suspicious activity. In Redmond's peaceful neighborhoods, where neighbors tend to look out for one another, clear, unobstructed views from windows can be a natural deterrent for criminal activity. Consider installing larger windows or removing obstructions to improve visibility and allow for more natural monitoring of the exterior of your home. Window film and shatterproof coating. For homeowners looking for a less invasive way to improve their window security, security window film or shatterproof coatings can provide an affordable option. These films are applied directly to the glass and reinforce its structure, making it more difficult to break. Security window film is particularly effective in preventing break-ins, as it holds the glass together even when it's shattered, making it more difficult for burglars to gain access. This solution is perfect for homeowners who don't want to replace their windows entirely but still want to enhance their home's security. Regular window maintenance and upkeep. Finally, the importance of regular window maintenance cannot be overstated. Keeping your windows in good condition ensures that they function as they should. Over time, older windows may develop cracks, gaps, or faulty locks, all of which can compromise your home's security. Regularly check your windows for signs of damage, and ensure that the locking mechanisms are working correctly. For Redmond homeowners, weatherproofing your windows is also essential due to the area's frequent rain and humidity. Weather stripping can help ensure that your windows stay sealed and secure, preventing easy access for intruders. Conclusion: windows are more than just a way to let light and fresh air into your home. They play a vital role in home security. By upgrading to stronger materials, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, Redmond homeowners can significantly enhance their home's security. Additionally, integrating window sensors with alarm systems and ensuring proper maintenance are crucial steps to protect your family and belongings. Investing in high-quality windows is a smart move for any homeowner looking to improve their security, comfort, and peace of mind. In Redmond, where the community values safety and security, making sure your windows are up to the task can provide lasting protection for years to come.